Hi guys, it's me, Perryboy 2001, back with another reaction video, and it's another YTP video once again, and we're reacting to another Thomas Friends YTP video, and this one is called Thomas the Coke Engine. So he's like Coca-Cola or something. Yeah, I guess so. So anyway, let's get this reaction video started and let's see how the intro looks. Okay, this is really weird. Okay, why is everything going fast? Wait a minute. Why are all these Thomason going? Wait a minute, why is he reversing?
Thomas is a cheeky little winkhead.
What?
Big station.
Are you sure about that, Mr. Narrator?
He's a short, stumpy winkhead.
What?
Short, stumpy stump.
What?
He's a
Are you
fussy little
kidding
fuck.
me?
He's always pulling Gordon. Short, stumpy dome. Thomas
What?
loves Gordon.
What?
Gordon
Wait a
likes
minute,
Tammy and
hold
Thomas.
on, you're making everything go too fast. Just slow down. You can only say one thing at a time, so let's get back to the video. What the heck, are you kidding me?
Poor Thomas was taken so hard he nearly cried.
What? That is so funny.
I'm green.
Wow, I love it. I love it so
Morning,
far.
Thomas wouldn't stop singing.
What the? Trollo? What the? Trains don't sing. And then Matt yells. What the? What is he doing? Hey, why would you do that?
Hello, he always said to Thomas. Remember, don't be a Thomas.
It's him.
You can never be a Thomas.
You can never be a Thomas.
Watch be a fish, but you can be a really useful candle.
What? Are you kidding me? Why is he a Coke? He doesn't even look like one.
One day after pulling the big express,
Here's Gordon.
arrived back at the sidings, very tired.
Gordon's resting. Oh yeah, I can see that. That's really good.
He was pulling.
You know, I think this video is starting to turn out really well because I just think, you know, this is just really hilarious. And I can't wait to see what the rest of this reaction video has in store for us.
A lot of very dirty coaches.
Wow, that's not even look like dirty coaches, they look like dirty trucks. Okay, what a weird glitch. Okay, I'll stop with that.
It's not funny.
James is saying that because he is. Wow, James is red in the face. Okay.
He fluffed into the station where
What?
Gordon was waiting. Hurry up, you, said Gordon.
Gordon is saying
Go
hurry
up
up.
yourself, replied Thomas. One day, Edward was blue, the driver of fireman.
Wow, he
felt
is
sorry
blue
for
and
Edward.
so cool.
Would you like to be red today?
I think Edward would say no. Say no, say no, say no, say no, say no!
I am
Oh, okay.
splendid engine,
Okay.
answered James.
James is splendid.
You never
Okay.
see my paint blue.
Okay, that is really abominational.
Toby and Henrietta are enjoying their new job on the island of Sodor.
Ha, I bet they do like it. What the? Why does James keep doing that? Stop it! Stop it, James! Stop it!
James, Thomas waited and waited.
What the?
People got in. The guard and station master.
The guard-
people
here's the
that
guard and
walked
the
up and
station
down.
master.
The porter banged
Please
heavily,
close
and
the door.
Still, the fat controller didn't come. So Thomas ran round to the front
Okay,
and
what-
back down on the coaches ready
What
to
the?
start.
Okay,
Don't be
why the
impatient,
heck are you
said
doing
the
that,
driver.
Thomas?
Wait till everything is
Just
ready.
tell me why.
But Thomas-
What? Okay, this video is definitely the most hilarious, I would say. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you enjoyed this reaction video. And I will catch you on the next one. See ya.